Can you scream for me? I need something to wake me up at 3 in the morning. Okay, hold on. Let me warm up. How was that? Next question. What's your streaming warm-up ritual? How do you get into the right brain space? I don't know. It's like a flip a switch. I just take a deep breath and then I press start. No, actually I press start and then I wait until I'm actually ready because, you know, usually when I have the loading screen and stuff going, I'm still setting up. So then after the rush of setting up and I'm about to you know, switch scenes, switch on over so you guys can see me, I just go and then I start streaming. Yeah. Next one. Can you roll your tongue and blow air through it? I can't. Does that mean I'm special? I can also. I thought the question originally was like rolling your R's. I could do that. Next question, thank you. How's your kazoo playing? Playing kazoo is hard. Like a lot of games, like Superliminal is one I've been waiting to play for a while, and yeah, I guess I'm just looking forward to playing games. Ow, my eye, hold it. What do you guys call like the when you get crusty eyes? I call them gunkies. Hold on, because I just woke up not that long ago. I have an eye gunky. I could sell it. Will you guys buy my eye gunky? You guys can bid on it. No. Next question, thank you. Is your new mic now able to pick up your heartbeat? Not that I want to hear it or anything. I don't know, actually. Let's test. I gotta turn up the gain 1 second. It's gonna be really loud. Oops. I dropped something. No, it doesn't. It doesn't pick it up. Nothing. No heartbeat. One day. I think there's too much background noise. Like there's too much AC and stuff going on, and like the fridge makes like a hum. There's too much noise. Yeah.